This is Joe over at Alan Ed's Autosound in Marina Del Rey. I'm here in an E-Class Mercedes with the stock screen. Also happen to have the stock camera. What we did is use the Nav TV AV input in conjunction with Rydeen's RDV3603D system. We added 4 cameras, front, rear, and 2 sides, one on each side view mirror. And I'll just give you a demo on the visuals it creates and how it works. When you put the car in reverse, it will automatically display the 360 with a default 3D on the right side. We then have a little push momentary button that comes with the Rydeen that we add to the car. That when you just push it, changes the right view on the screen. So when you're in reverse, you'll see what's behind you in conjunction with the 360 picture. If you push it again, you'll see a 3D bird's eye view. Otherwise, if you put it back into park, it'll go back to the stock screen. If you press and hold a button on the steering wheel to force the camera, it will always look forward until you go reverse. It'll switch to the backup picture. When you go back to drive, it'll switch to the front camera. But keep in mind, we are forced, so you'll need to unforce it to go back to the screen or stock menu. Otherwise, it's fully automatic when you shift to reverse. Once again, this is Joe at Alan Ed's Autosound in Marina Del Rey with the Rydeen RDV3603D surround camera system, 310-827-8121.